Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead. This is non-negotiable. Turn the correct breaker off and use a non-contact tester to verify 0V on every conductor. Once done, remove the cover and mount screws. Make sure to note which wire is line power and which is load light. You want tools at hand: wire stripper, screwdriver, needle nose. Take a photo of the original connections before you touch anything so you can recreate them exactly. You now make the electrical connections. Strip about 3/8 of an inch of insulation and never nick the copper. Connect the line hot conductor to the switch common terminal and the load conductor to the other terminal. Tighten the screws firmly but don't deform the wire. If multiple grounds exist, form a short pigtail and attach to the switch green screw. Once connected, neatly fold the wires back into the box so nothing gets pinched when you reinstall the device. You finish by securing the switch to the box and replacing the cover plate. Restore power at the breaker and test the switch. Flip it multiple times to confirm stable on /off and listen for buzzing. If the light doesn't work, immediately turn power off and recheck connections. Loose terminal screws are the most common fault. Make sure the breaker actually feeds the line conductor and verify ground and neutral continuity if applicable. If anything looks damaged, replace the switch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.